When we talk about a tech ecosystem, there's always this one big question, right? Is it built to lock you in, or is it actually designed to set you free? Now, this debate usually pits Apple against Samsung, but you know what? Samsung is playing a completely different game here, one that might just surprise you. Okay, so on the surface, yeah, Samsung's ecosystem kind of looks like Apple's famous walled garden. Of course, they want you to use their phones, and their watches, and their tablets. But if you look just a little deeper, there's this hidden dual strategy at play, one that gives you these awesome exclusive perks if you're all in, but also a surprising amount of freedom if you like to mix things up. And look, the comparison is pretty easy to make. Samsung is one of the only companies that can really go toe-to-toe with Apple across the board. You've got the phones, the tablets, the watches, earbuds, laptops, the whole shebang. They even have similar features, right? Like Apple's AirDrop and Samsung's QuickShare for just zapping files between your devices. But don't be fooled, this is pretty much where the similarities end and Samsung's really unique strategy kicks in. So first, let's talk about the closed part of their game plan. Samsung absolutely rewards you for staying inside its ecosystem. They offer this whole set of powerful, exclusive features that make their devices just work together in some pretty magical ways. A perfect example of this is something called Samsung Flow. The best way to think about it is like a super fast, really stable bridge that connects your Galaxy phone and your Galaxy tablet. And because it all happens over your local network, the connection is just incredibly quick and responsive. And this is where it gets really useful in your day-to-day life. Let's say you're working on your Galaxy tab. You can instantly mirror your phone screen right there and just drag a photo over. Or you could open up a food delivery app that's only on your phone and order lunch without ever even picking up the phone. It even creates this universal clipboard so you can copy text on one device and paste it on the other. It's all about making your life easier. Here's another simple but honestly brilliant little feature. We all know our phone cameras are just incredible these days, right? Well, with camera sharing, you can use that super powerful camera on your Galaxy phone as a wireless webcam for your tablet. So for your next video call, you're going to look amazing with basically zero effort. And then there's app continuity. This is that little bit of magic where you start something on one device and you can finish it on another without even thinking about it. Samsung bakes this right into its own apps and even the system itself. So here's how that actually looks. Imagine you're reading an article on your tablet's browser. You got to run out, so you grab your phone. A little icon just pops up, you tap it, and boom, the exact same web page is open right where you left off. It even syncs your Wi-Fi passwords. You log in on one device, and all your other Samsung gear is automatically connected. See? These are the perks of being in the closed garden. But here's the twist. While Samsung is busy building these walls, it's also building these massive gates that lead out to other ecosystems. This is the open part of the strategy, and it's where Samsung completely breaks away from the Apple playbook. Samsung has this incredibly deep partnership with Microsoft. See, instead of trying to force everyone to buy a Galaxy Book laptop, they focused on making their phones and tablets the ultimate companions for the millions and millions of people who already use Windows PCs. And the features you get are fantastic. You can use your Galaxy Tab as a wireless second monitor for your Windows laptop. You can use your PC's keyboard and mouse to just seamlessly control your phone and tablet. Your photo gallery can sync directly to Microsoft OneDrive, so your pictures are instantly on your PC. And get this, even Samsung Flow works with Windows. This is a level of cross-platform integration you just don't get anywhere else. And the cooperation doesn't stop with Microsoft. Nope. Samsung also works really closely with Google, not to compete, but to actually strengthen the entire Android ecosystem for everybody. So for instance, QuickShare, which used to be a Samsung-only thing, has now merged with Google's version. What that means for you is you can quickly send files to almost any modern Android phone or even a Windows PC, not just another Samsung device. But maybe the biggest example of this freedom is the Galaxy Watch. Unlike an Apple Watch, which only works with an iPhone, you can pair a Galaxy Watch with a Google Pixel, or any other Android phone for that matter. So, what does this all add up to? Well, this whole dual strategy of being both closed and open, it's more than just a list of features. It's a totally different philosophy. It's about giving you the power of choice. This table right here just captures the difference perfectly. With Apple, to get that amazing, seamless experience, you really have to be all in. But with Samsung, you can build your dream setup. Maybe you're a serious gamer who needs a beast of a Windows PC that a MacBook just can't touch. No problem. You can still have a Galaxy phone and a Galaxy Watch that integrate beautifully with it. You get to pick the best device for each job, no matter what brand is on it. And ultimately, this brings us all the way back to that central question. It's not really about which ecosystem is better, it's about which philosophy is a better fit for you. As the source material puts it so well, Samsung has created an ecosystem that gives us a space to be flexible. It gives you that tight integration if you want it, but it doesn't punish you if you decide to step outside its walls. So it really boils down to this. The Apple ecosystem offers this beautiful simplicity and, you could argue, the tightest integration out there, creating one seamless world. The Samsung ecosystem, on the other hand, is all about flexibility and open choice, acting like a powerful hub that connects you to multiple worlds, Samsung's, Microsoft's, and Google's. And that just leaves you with one final question to think about for your own tech life. What do you value more? The absolute seamless simplicity of a single unified world? Or do you value the ultimate flexibility to build your very own universe piece by piece? The choice really is yours.
If you enjoy this video, please like, share, subscribe and hit the bell to the later update from my channel. Thank you for watching till the end and see you in the next video.